In this video, I will show you how to deposit into your PocketOption account with Naira directly from your bank account. You can take advantage of the 50% bonus when you deposit over $50 by clicking on this icon. To start your deposit, click on the top-up icon and select Choose a new deposit method. This will take you to the deposit page and you will see all the available options listed on the page. Since we are depositing with Naira, click on Bank Transfer NGN. As you can see here, the minimum deposit is $5. Enter the amount you want to deposit. Fill in your correct first and last name. Then click on Continue and Pay. You have 1 hour to complete the deposit, and remember the account is always for one-time deposit and cannot be reused. Please make sure to only deposit from a bank account with name matching your verified name on PocketOption. You can copy the account number by clicking on the copy icon, or you can simply type it and make sure it is correct. Select the right bank according to what you see on this page and verify account name. Enter the correct amount. After you make the transfer correctly, you will be redirected back to PocketOption after a few seconds. Click on Start Trading to go straight to the chart. Congratulations! In this simple steps, you have been able to deposit Naira directly into your PocketOption account. Now your balance will reflect your deposit. If you are new to binary options trading, click the link below to register a PocketOption account. If you want to learn options trading, there is also a link in the description. Please like, share, and leave a comment below. Kindly subscribe and turn on notification bell icon to be the first to know when we post new educative contents.